Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to change wallpaper based on time and day. If you want to change your wallpaper based on time or day, so you just have to need our application. So we're going to install it. Just open Play Store and here go to search bar. And now you just have to need an application named Wallpaper Changers. Just search for it. And here you have to install this application. Just tap on install and then it will install on your phone. After installation you just have to open the app, tap on open, and here you just have to do some settings for your purpose. If you want to change wallpaper based on time or days, so this app is perfect for you. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.